If your iPhone is stuck in SOS mode and you're not sure what to do, don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, we're going to walk through a few quick and easy solutions to get your iPhone back to normal. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Check your cellular signal. First things first, the SOS mode on your iPhone typically means there's an issue with your cellular connection. It happens when your phone can't find your carrier's network, but emergency services are still available. So step 1 is to check your signal strength. If you're in a low service area, try moving to a different location where signal strength is better. Step 2. Turn airplane mode on. Next, let's try a simple trick that works wonders. Turning airplane mode on and off. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone to open the control center, then tap the airplane mode icon to turn it on. Wait about 10 seconds, then turn it off. This refreshes your iPhone's connection to the cellular network and can often fix the SOS issue. Step 3. Restart your iPhone. If airplane mode didn't do the trick, it's time to restart your iPhone. Hold down the power button along with the volume up button, then slide to power off. Once it's completely off, wait a few seconds and turn your phone back on. Sometimes a simple reboot is all your device needs to reconnect to the network properly. Step 4. Check for a carrier settings update. Still having trouble? It might be time to check if there is a carrier settings update available. Open your settings app, go to General, then tap About. If there's an update available, you'll get a prompt to install it. Carrier updates can help fix network issues and improve connectivity. Step 5. Reset network settings. If nothing's worked so far, don't worry, there's one more step to try. You can reset your network settings. Go to Settings, then General, and scroll down to Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. This will erase saved Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth connections, but it's a powerful way to fix network-related issues like SOS mode. Don't worry, your apps and data won't be affected. Last step, contact your carrier or Apple support. If your iPhone is still stuck in SOS mode after all these steps, it's possible there's a larger issue at play, either with your carrier or your device. In that case, your best bet is to contact your carrier or reach out to Apple support for assistance. They can help troubleshoot and see if there's a bigger network problem or if your phone needs repair. And that's how you fix your iPhone when it's stuck in SOS mode. Hopefully, one of these steps worked for you and you're back online. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.